Yeah. Talk to me. Ladies and gentlemen, talk nice. Let's get it. Whoa. Whoa. To Lux Gang. Let's get it. Y'all know what it is. Shout out to Clan Wu-Tang forever. Forever. They know I don't rock. Let me take you to the factory. Bars unlimited. Ever catch me with a wad of money, I'm spending it. Old school nigga, bubble vest with the Timberland. Rappers see me poaching the mic and start trembling like, boy, he's a threat. The only thing I need now was for the label to go ahead, cut the check. First you get the money, the power, and then respect. But watch how you spend it, they all coming with debt. Yeah, I done seen it all. Them local shows like Vodeos. Had niggas running in circles like it's the rope-a-dope. That's how my shit on the road from here to Poconos. And the flow cold like penguin toes on Eskimos. Ain't nothing to score on the bitch, that's just the freak show. Whole squad running through yard, that's what the freaks for. And I got the game on lock, I got the cheat code. Used to have a plug uptown, his name was Chico. I was selling white out the sleeve up in my Pico. When we was in the game, they was on the benches. When we was in the field, they was in the fences. I don't mean to be offensive, don't get defensive. I was running around with them killers that's so relentless. Ain't nothing to catch your body, they so convincing. I was in the kitchen, more white than the dishes. The way a nigga picture need a scion, nigga. What your life like, nigga? Tell me how you living. I done some things that I know ain't forgiven.
Hey, time, man. Niggas don't need no, man. Hey, look. Out of the spread, I ain't spitting in that can again. Was laying on those stiff ass mats, feel like a mannequin. And they feeding us garbage. My father, I swear, plenty people complain, but why bother? Bitch, I'm sick of this life that I started. Sick of all you fake ass niggas, you my target. This is my saga, excuse me, my pardon. Look, the hardest, nice like D. Carter. Straight out of the news, I'm the starter. Frontline, dropping them bombs like P. Harbor. Scopes that see father, beams on revolvers. Niggas want beef, then I be the meat carver. I'm the hit in the hood, a young savage. I'm careless, over the top, above average. Rap is my passion, shoes, my fashion move. I'm clapping tools, it's not plastic. These niggas is weak, I wreak havoc. Finger on the AR trigger, I might mash it. Jump out of the whip, it's like traffic. Plus I be ballin', nigga, I'm like magic. Plus I get plenty of green, it's not cabbage. Me and Ton taking off like a rocket, not NASA.